today's video is so exciting. I can't even keep still. Look at this. Accessories can break or make your outfits, and so today I'm talking about all the accessories that you need in your collection to elevate that holiday and beyond outfit. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here and you see my face for the very first time, welcome. My name is Adele Awuli. Here on this channel, Passion Heavily, I share all things fashion, style, beauty, lifestyle, and of course my faith. If this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, make sure that you join the family and you subscribe to my channel. All right, ladies, for today's video, which I'm super excited about, I'm talking about accessories. You ladies know how much I love my accessories, how much I always encourage, suggest, recommend for you to add, accessories that is just going to elevate any outfit that you're wearing. And that's why today, for the holidays and of course beyond, I decided to put together this video just for you to show you some small accessories here and there that you can just add to your outfits, again, for the holidays and beyond, to elevate and just make your entire outfit looks absolutely classy, sophisticated, and of course elegant. So for today's tea, let me show you my cup as always. So my cup says I'm not a regular mom, I'm a cool mom, which I am. If I do so say myself. My kids saw the cup and they were just laughing at me and said, "Yeah, mommy, you're actually a cool mom." I am. Okay. All right, ladies, so for today's video, the first accessory I'm going to recommend to you ladies is having feathers on your tops. As I've done, I'll talk about this top in a minute. You can have feathers on your tops, your sweaters, your skirts, dresses, your shoes. Again, I'm going to show you a pair or two that I have, over the course of the years. You can absolutely add anything feather into your outfits to just give you that elevated, sophisticated look. I absolutely love feathers. For me personally, I don't think feathers is a trend. I honestly think it's a classic piece to have, because every year during this time of the year is just a wonderful piece to just kind of throw on, put for that holiday party, either at work or for your friends, or even if you're the one hosting a holiday party. Feathers is one that is very seamless, is very effortless, and is very easy to put together, in my own opinion. And take for example this sweater that I'm wearing. This sweater is actually from Karen Millen. If you see this video, I'm your girl. Okay, so I got this sweater top or sweater knit from Karen Millen, and ladies, just get into the sleeves. It was the color, it was everything about this sweater that made me fall in love with it. Not only for the feathers, but also because it's a turtleneck, is just appropriate for this time of the year. Also, the fascinating thing for me was because I'm not into shoulder pads, but this has shoulder pads. Ladies, can you see how structured the shoulder pads makes this sweater, making it just elevating it? It's part of what elevated this sweater. In all honesty, this is just a plain roll neck sweater, whatever you want to call it, but the shoulder pads and of course the feather is what elevated this sweater. So that's one of the things that I'm talking about today, ladies. The little things I've always talked about, paying attention to details in your outfit, and this is number one. Okay, the shoulder pads, like I said, and of course the feathers. It is so soft, it is beautiful, and the way it just kind of flows, the way I'm moving my hand, which you see for the rest of the video, as I'm talking, as I'm moving my hand, the feathers are so soft, and they're so, they're moving in like a slow motion type of, movement to them. I absolutely love this sweater, and I highly recommend it. Now for this sweater, ladies, I will say, if you're interested in it, I'll leave a link in the description below. Can you see how I'm stuttering? I'll leave a description, the link to this sweater in the description bar below if you're interested. And one thing I will say to you ladies is run. Okay, run, don't walk, because it is not new, because I've had it in one of my shoes. I've had these shoes for about 5-6 years. This shoe is by Sam, I hope you can see that, Sam Alderman, as you can see. So it's not new, and you can see it's not new. I've worn it a few times, and every time I've worn these shoes, I've got compliments. Okay, and this shoe, I hope it's coming off. I feel like it's coming off kind of pinkish on my monitor as I'm looking at it, but it is true red. Okay, just like the feathers on it as well, you can see the movement. Again, I love the fact that the feathers, they're so soft and so feminine that the way it just flows is actually very beautiful. And if you think this might be too much for you, you can do another Sam Edelman pair that I have is this pom-pom one. Okay, this is a velvet pair of poms, again with the poms. If you think with the pom-poms, if you think that the feathers might be too much for you, I will try and find both this pair for you ladies. However, like I said earlier on, I bought them at the same time. I bought them from Nordstrom about 4 or 5 years ago, but I will try to look around for you ladies and leave a link in the description bar below. As you know, feathers is a big thing right now. It's in purses, it's in our clothes, our shoes, it's everywhere. Okay, so get into the feather trend. The second statement accessory that I'll be sharing with you ladies today to help elevate your holiday and beyond outfit is a statement clutch. Now this one is from Gaia. This is my second one. The first one that I have is like an off-white color. This is a black, obviously, and I chose this because, as you can see, this clutch speaks for itself ladies. I mean, look at all the details around it. Gaia as a brand came in a couple of years ago, and I got this I bought this online from Bloomingdale's. They do ship to Canada. For my Canadian ladies, they do ship to Canada, and I got it, I think, during the summertime. I got it this year during the summertime, and I mean, look at this ladies, wearing any simple outfit and just matching this clutch with it just automatically will elevate any outfit. The details around it is very consistent, and it goes all around, as you can see, and it has the name of the brand right there. Okay, so adding a statement clutch to your holiday and beyond outfit ladies is what I highly recommend. So my ladies, the third statement accessory that I'm sharing with you today that you can add into your closet today is actually brooches. You ladies know by now, I'm sure you've heard me talk about brooches so much. Yeah, you ladies, I shared this, if you remember, during the summertime. This is a brooch and can also double up as a hairband or a fascinator. I got this in 2 colors. Okay, this is from Zara. If you remember the video, or if you've not seen that video, I'll leave it up here in the cards for you and also in the description bar below, so you can see. Speaking about Zara, the 2 brooches I would love to share with you today, and they're new. I just got them in from Zara a few days ago. So this are brooches from Zara. Okay, this has the sequin detail, as you can see. Look at the bling ladies, and this is more of a metallic. If you think maybe the sequin is too much for you, you can totally do the metallic. Okay, and the amazing thing ladies about these 2 brooches, are you ready for it? They are $17.20. Hopefully my camera, you can see the price right there. These 2 brooches are under $20 ladies. Both or one of this, either the sequin or the metallic one, just like the red one. Let me even open up this sequin one for you ladies to have a look. So ladies, that was a bit of a struggle, but I got it out. So this is again what the brooch looks like. Okay, imagine this on any outfit. I mean, come on now, that looks amazing. It looks very classy, very sophisticated. Okay, for my ladies who don't like to do too much, absolutely recommend this brooch for you. Speaking of Zara brings me to the 4th statement piece that I highly recommend, which is the headband. Again, I shared this headband, was it earlier this year or last year that I shared it? This headband is from Zara. Okay, I mean, look at the details. I actually got 2 of this when I did. But look at the details on this headband. This is a statement. As soon as I saw it, I knew this was a statement piece that I just needed to add to my collection. I mean, look at that, ladies. Again, any simple outfits, okay, any simple outfits, and this statement band is just phenomenal on any outfits. Now, because I said that I got this headband from Zara months ago, of course it's not available anymore. I just want to recommend to you what you might find. Again, I will, you know, do my due diligence, and I'll make sure that I find you some and leave it in the links in the description bar below. This is a sequin headband as well. It's statement one in my opinion. As you can see, it is all round sequin. This is very, very good for this time of the year. This is a velvet one, okay, and velvet this time of the year is also all year round, honestly, piece that you can add, and you can definitely find this, you know, around. This I find is more accessible. It is the fifth accessory that I'll be sharing with you today. Is actually statement earrings. You ladies know by now, if you've been watching me for a while, you know how much I adore statement earrings. You know how much I talk about them. I've even written a blog post on my website, okay? If you've never gone to my website before, now is your opportunity. I'll leave that blog post down in the description bar below. I talked about how important it is to have statement jewelries, and I always talk about here on my channel as well. My last video that I did, which is starting your luxury journey, for the very first time, I also mentioned, you know, statement jewelries. I mentioned the Valentino, I mentioned the Versace one. The one I have on right now is actually Zara, and it is sold out. However, not to worry, ladies, during my break I did, you know, take a step back in my jewelry collection, and I gave a lot of my jewelries out, and I also bought new ones. And so I'm going to do a special dedicated video about, you know, statement jewelries and about my everyday jewelries, just all the jewelries in my collection, and I'll leave links in the description bar below for all of these jewelries that I'm talking about. Also, if you follow me on my social media, Instagram, you will have seen some of these earrings that I'm talking about, which you need to follow me if you're not, because this is why you need to follow me. That way, when I'm not here on YouTube, I'm on my social media and I share my daily activities. I share sales, what I'm wearing, what I just ordered, things like that. So I highly recommend that you follow me on my Instagram. Now, going back to my statement earrings, like I said, I will do a dedicated video just for you ladies. And the sixth accessory, also something that I always talk about, that I'm sharing with you today, is a scarf. Now, because it's the holiday season, I'm not talking about the wool scarves that I always talk about, or even the silk scarf. I'm talking about scarves that can elevate, statement scarf. So I got this, okay, from Zara. As you can see, this alone is statement on its own. It is sequin, okay, and this is what it looks like. All right, and it is about $30 Canadian. As you can see, hopefully you can see you know, the price on there. This is a scarf that I got from Zara. Hopefully this scarf is still available. Okay, you can wear it either, you know, the plain black side, which is velvet, or you can wear the sequin. For me, definitely I'll wear the sequin side. Okay, another type of, or another style of a scarf that you can totally add into your collection for the holiday is a faux four. Okay, faux four is one that it goes absolutely amazing with any outfit, especially if it comes in like shrug style. Is absolutely amazing. Imagine wearing like a shrug or even a throw. Just throw it on your shoulder. It is faux four for, you know, the holiday season, for red carpet, for any special occasion. It's an amazing way, and I'll leave a picture here just so you can see a visual of what I'm talking about. Having faux four, having you know, sequin scarf like this is an amazing way to add statement accessory into your holiday outfit. All right, the seventh and the last accessory, statement accessory, that I'll be sharing with you ladies that you need to add into your collection right now. Okay, ladies, are you ready? It is fragrance. You might be wondering, fragrance? No, ladies, I'm not talking about everyday fragrance. I'm not talking about fragrances that you wear to work. I'm talking about statement fragrances. I've already done a video on, starting your fragrance collection for the very first time. I'll leave that video up here in the cards and also in the description bar below. I've already also talked about, different types of accessory to have in your collection. And in that video, I did talk about fragrances just for special occasion. That's the kind of fragrance I'm talking about, ladies. Statement fragrances. One that you don't wear every day. One that when people sniff you, when they get a whiff of you, they have no choice but to ask you what you're wearing. They have no choice but to give you a compliment. Now, I will say that this type of fragrances might not be for everybody. Even for me, if I'm being totally honest, I literally just got into statement fragrances this past summer because I do suffer from migraine, and I've mentioned that here and there in my video, but I think I'm going to do a dedicated video to that as well. But for now, I want to talk about, statement fragrances that you're going to wear, that, the percentage that somebody else is going to be wearing that same fragrance when you go out, ladies, is literally 5 to none. Okay, fragrances that when you wear them, you are gonna stand out. Okay, and I'm gonna share with you some fragrances that I have in my collection that they are statement pieces, they are statement fragrances. All right, ladies, with all that being said, which of these accessories would you be picking up? Which of these accessories are you going to look into? Because I highly recommend each and every one. The Zara scarf hopefully is still available. I highly recommend it. The brooches, I highly recommend, every one of this piece. I hope you enjoyed today's video, ladies. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you click that notification bell so that every time I share a fun video just like this, an informative video just like today, you will be notified. And if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Check me out on Instagram and check out my website as well, www.passionheavily.com. and until next week, I will see you. Stay safe, stay out of drama, ladies. You know how we don't do drama here. Okay, stay out of drama. God bless you, and I'll see you next week. Bye.